a.m. until 11 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri: